Okay, so I'm going to try and do some fall water marble or drag marble, no water marble. So I've started with all the fall colors, black and orange and brown, and I'm just liberally applying. And you have to have the first coat kind of dried. That's why this is a good one. Now the second coat would be black, and then the orange, and the yellow, and the brown, and some green hollow glitter that is like a multi-glitter. I'm gonna just kind of blob it on the top. Now, with my brush, I'm gonna go up through and around, through, around, and just kind of move it in an order. If you have to, just follow me step by step until you get it. You can keep moving this until it hits a wall, and then you can't move it anymore. So that's a good yummy one, okay? So now you'll see that it has so much polish on it. Take your finger, pull off the extra like that, very lightly. Again, pull off the extra very lightly. And when you look in the mirror, in the light, if you see any divots or bubbles in the polish, then you have too much polish on and it will take a while to dry. However, when you pull off the excess, it dries just as quickly as a regular polish. See where that one dented right here? That's okay, it'll fix itself. But the sides, do you see how the sides are all kind of nice and out? That's because I got the excess off. Now you would clean your finger with a makeup sponge, something like this. Just get some acetone or some nail polish remover on there and clean your finger and then start anew, okay? That way you don't transfer each one. Now on this one, I'll go to another one. Let's see. I'm gonna paint it brown. Nice and liberal. Gosh, never fails. Okay, so pull, 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 pull. Get all of that off the edge. And then it looks like it's coming from two directions. Then you just kind of pull up, around, pull off, up, around, pull off. Now, if you can, if it's still yummy enough, which I think it is, you can still pull. And get it nicer and nicer, but as soon as it starts catching, that's when it's over for you. So that one, it just looks more soft. Now this one, we will paint it black. Nice and liberal. I'm going to paint yellow in stripes. And between each stripe, I wipe it on my desk. I'm on the paper towel. Same with goes for orange. That. Okay. Now, I'm going to put this down so that I don't shake, because I want you to see. You just wipe through it with your brush, which is within itself a cool design. But then go the opposite way. And then you have a spider web. This doesn't matter because it gets pulled off. This doesn't matter because it gets pulled off. And there you have that. Okay. Let me get another, there we go, cleaner area. Now, oh, the name of this glitter is called Trixie Dust, and it is by Geekish Glitter Lacquer. And they didn't pay me to say that, but it's a really lovely glitter, and I know you guys are gonna ask. So there is black, liberal, orange, V, yellow, V, white, glitter, V, dot, 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 liberal. Now, pull your brush. And you want to pull, okay, pull in, pull in, pull in, pull in, pull in, pull in. Pull the extra off. Now, if you want to make a fire, okay, I would pull my brush this way. There we go. And then you have that fire. But then you take the excess, again, pull off, excess, pull off, excess, pull off, excess, pull off. Now, there. Just kind of shore it up so that the excess starts to pull in the center and take it off. And there's that. You'll see that these are pretty good for being on this round. See how they're all kind of flat? That's what you want. And white. White. Liberal. Look at that. Oh, shoot. Okay. Now, I'm going to pull off before I even start. There we go. And then take off the most. Oh no. I should have done that one on the middle, not the end. Okay. Now, go like this. Wipe. Okay. Pull off excess. I was gonna try and make a ghost here, but it just turned out to be a wave of black and white, which is perfect. Okay. Pull off. Now, to say that it is much easier to do on a hand is like so funny, but it's so true. Like, I would have never made that rookie. That's a mistake you make at the beginning. However, I'm glad I made it because I'm going to show you guys that I have to wipe my hands off of all polish that I used. And I do this all day, every day. Just I wipe my fingers. That's why they look so chalky sometimes. Okay, so I'm going to go in with a little bit of that orange polish. I'm going to drop some down here. And then take it into my brush. Let me see here where I can see. And the yellow. And whatever colors you like is what colors you should use and practice with. It's better to use thinner colors than thick. And I find that thin down colors don't work as good as new thin colors. But if that's all you got, then work with it, because you can do anything you want and set your mind to. So I wanted to fix that. All right. Okay, so let me get, okay, so I top coated these and I allowed them to dry for a while, so now they're dry. So I just wanted you to see inside of them as well as possible so that you can get an idea of how each one looks. I'm not happy with this one. It could have looked a lot better, but I was already all the way done making this video, and this is just like the beginning stages of no water marbling. So I just wanted to see if I could do it on this with nails that are so close together, and then capping and pulling with them, and I think that we did it. So if you guys got a lot out of this video that you hadn't got before, please leave me a comment and I can teach more water marbling, no water marbling on this way very easily, kind of. So like it's easier to stay in frame with these, I think. I don't know, I haven't edited yet. So I want you guys to see they're just fun, and fun for fall and fun for Halloween, the beginning like of Halloween and the end of summer. And they're shiny, and I really dig that glitter. So anyways, thank you for who gave it to me, and I will see you guys back with more. Everybody have a great day. Bye.